Viewing contents of hard drive in binary. Is there any way I can view contents of hard drive in hex or binary? I'm currently using Debian.
Yes, you can open any block device as a file. As a matter of fact, the philosophy of Linux is everything is a file. The block device you want to access is likely dev.star or dev.star. Since it is a very big file, I suggest you use Wex Editor. From the website. Wex Editor is not an ordinary hex editor, but could work as low-level disk editor too. If you have problems with your HDD or partition, you can recover your data from HDD or from partition via editing sectors in raw hex. You can edit your partition tables, or you could recover files from file system by hand with help of Wex Editor. Or you might want to analyze your big binary files, partitions, devices.
With Unix-like operating systems, everything, including block devices such as hard disks, is a file. You could use a hexadecimal file dump utility, as superuser, to examine the raw contents of a disk device. XXD is normally distributed with the vim common package, but any hex dump utility will do. Disk partitions or any other disk-like block device, example, devd-mapper if you are using LVM, can also be read. Pipe the output through less so that you can scroll through and search for the output. If you want to only find printable characters, you could use the strings utility from the binoodles package.
I was trying to do some spot checks on some 6 TB drives that were wiped. Most commands read up to the offset specified and don't seek to the offset. This is a problem on large input sources. The following does a seek and is immediate/fast. Sudo dd if equals /dev/sda skip equals 5t count equals 4 kb if flags equals skip underscore bytes count underscore bytes 2 /dev/null od head. If the drive is wiped, some zeros are displayed with a multiplier, otherwise the head of the non-wiped 0 data is displayed.
You might use the following command, where SDA is your disk, and C is for hex and ASCII view. Without this last option, only hex will be displayed.
Transporter e que